Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. So today I continue with chapter 5 matter 5.1 matter in nature. So first of all, what is matter? So that matter is defined as anything that has mass and occupies space. So what are the example of matter? Okay, let's see these books. This book occupies the empty space in the box. And this book also have mass. So book has mass and occupies space. Therefore, book is a matter. How about this water? Is water occupies the space of the glass? Yes. So water occupies space and water also has mass. So water is also a matter. Then, then how about gas? Is gas a matter? Okay, let's see. This is an experiment to show that gas occupies space. When we blow the balloon will becomes bigger in size. So that shows us that balloon, the air occupies the space inside the balloon. So air occupies space. So what happened when we prick one of the balloon? The balloon will tilt toward the orange balloon, the one that is not pricked. Okay, this shows that the balloon the air inside the balloon has mass. Okay, so as the conclusion, air has mass and occupies space. All the three, solid, liquid, and gas, has mass and occupies space, so they all are a matter. So as the conclusion, all living things are matter and almost all non-living things are matter. So what are the example of non-matter? Okay, look at this. Electric current is not a matter. Light, heat, sound, gravity, time, and rainbow. All these are not matter. Because why? Because they have no mass and cannot occupy space. Okay, matter can be classified into based on their physical properties. So what are physical properties? Okay, physical properties of matter, for example, density, melting point, boiling point, and their solubility in water. Okay, so then the density will determine whether the substance can float or sink. So we can classify. Look at this diagram, this picture. Some of materials float and some others are sink. So we can classify substance or matter based on this physical property. Different material have different melting point. Okay, for example, water, ice here, the melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. And the butter here, the melting point of butter is 35 degrees Celsius. So all chemical substances have different melting point. We can also classify substance based on their boiling point. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. And here we have cooking oil. Boiling point of cooking oil is 300 degrees Celsius. So both melting and boiling point can be used to classify substance or matter. And this is the solubility of matter. Different matter have different solubility. Some matter dissolve in water, but others are not dissolved in water. So we can use these physical properties, the density, melting and boiling point, the solubility in water to classify all the matter. Another way to classify matter is their chemical properties. For example, combustion here, rusting and oxidation. Okay, some metal are easily burned even in water, like potassium here. When we put potassium in water, the metal will burn without the help of fire. Whereas the paper, it needs fire to burn. So this shows the different chemical properties of substance. This is rusting process. So iron will rust easily with the help of oxygen and water in air. But other substance are not like this. Okay, this is oxidation process occur to an apple. Okay, so all these chemical properties can be used to differentiate or to classify matter. Okay, that's all for this video. So inshallah see you in my next video. Bye.